When a cow bites fresh grass, its wide, flat teeth grind the plant fibers while saliva mixes in large amounts, helping soften tough cellulose. The tongue pushes the grass backward and it travels down the esophagus into the rumen, the first and largest stomach chamber, where billions of microbes begin fermenting the grass. The partially digested food moves to the reticulum, forming cud that is regurgitated back to the mouth for rechewing. Please help like and subscribe to this video. Increasing breakdown efficiency. After swallowing again, the food passes into the omasum, where excess water is absorbed, then into the abomasum, the true stomach, where strong acid and enzymes break it down into chyme. As chyme enters the small intestine, nutrients are absorbed through villi into the bloodstream and delivered to organs and muscles for energy and growth. Remaining fiber continues through the intestines, stimulating gut movement and maintaining digestive health, allowing the cow to efficiently turn grass into energy, milk, and body mass.